You trust AppLock, but your data really safe?
Not all AppLock apps are safe. Some apps can access your data. Especially if you install AppLock from Play Store, it can be dangerous. If you don't believe, check now. Go to your phone settings, app section, app management, your AppLock app. I will show you an example. I don't have AppLock in my phone, but you can check like this. Go to the app and click permission section. Check camera storage contacts. AppLock's job is only to lock apps. It does not need camera or microphone access. If camera contacts or microphone is on, then there is a problem. If those permissions are on, your personal data can be at risk. Solution: uninstall unknown app lock apps. Then go to your phone settings, click apps, app locks. Built-in app locks use and extra password to important apps. AppLock does not always make safe. Wrong app can cause problems. Check now.
If you like this video, don't forget like, share and comment.